Mountain is so pretty this morning. Fresh snow. Very cool. So quiet out here. Except for the occasional cat. Now this is an interesting piece. Interesting. I was wondering what this thing is. Is it the brake on an old wagon? A brake handle? Okay, so this is a real brake handle off an old freight wagon, which it doesn't look like that thing I just showed you. Well, this old freight wagon is old. I heard it helped carry the lumber to build stuff around here from over in the mountains. And it was sitting in the barn for years and years. And Dad decided to put it out here to look at for decoration. But it's sitting on these ugly old barrels. But it's pretty cool. We used to sit up in here and jump, because that's a spring there, until we got a little bigger and the spring cracked. So only little kids can sit up there now. Cool old wagon. Okay, the ground is frozen. Oh, here's some more little washers. I bet that comes off of some horse tack, maybe. Skinny old nails. Oh man, that's stuck in the ground. Glass everywhere. Ooh, here's a big piece. Now, I wonder if that's a type of tool. Found something like this on the other side, but the other one's better. Wonder what that is. Old gear or something. That might be a step on an old piece of machinery or a wagon. Cool. Oh, another old buckle. Huh. Is that another one of those little marble things? Wonder what these are. Please tell me if you know. cool. What does that say? A lot of these fence staples. Join me on these videos coming up to go on some more metal detecting or treasure hunting adventures. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe so you can be alerted to more videos. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.